Hello, Assalamu alaikum and Namaste. My name is Mehboob Sohel, and in this transmission I'm going to be talking about how to use the symbol, the flower of life. The flower of life is known to do many things, open many capabilities within, bring a higher perspective, give you access to the metaphysical, and also is a symbol of manifesting. Now, how do you use this symbol? Each symbol has a certain way of using. A symbol is nothing but an instrument, an access point to certain energies in the universe. The flower of life is one of the most commonly known symbols, is universal, as well as accessing it is pretty simple. So at the first level, to work with this symbol, you can simply have the symbol wherever you reside, wherever you spend most time in. Just by unconsciously observing or having the symbol in your environment is meant to bring about a certain shift in our perceptions, meant to bring about a certain accessing of the metaphysical, is meant to allow us to manifest what we have inside, just by having it in your space. You can have it anywhere, as you please, as a painting on the wall, as a tattoo on your skin, as something you wear. It's just a connection of having the symbol with you. Stage number 2 of working with the flower of life is to have it in your space, on your wall, and to consciously observe it. By looking at it consciously, by just taking it in from your vision center and embedding it in your mind space is another method of activating or working with the symbol. Route number 3 is to have it in your space, is to observe it consciously and work with it with few practices that are prescribed from our ancestors and mystics from the past. Now we can consciously observe with faith and also with certain meditative practices. This is the third way of working with the symbol. The fourth way of working with the symbol, and the deepest possible, is to actually draw it and paint it and make your own flower of life symbol. So these are the 3 simple ways of working with the flower of life, to activate it and bring about certain shifts in your consciousness, to bring about the power to manifest, to bring about an understanding and an access to the metaphysical dimension. For now, this is it from me, signing off.